cut the talk, cause that's how it's done. I told you it feels good.
I've never heard Ellis say that before.
Weird kick.
There's the Burger King. Watch out!
All right.
Oh my god!
Thanks. Look out!
Oh, I fell through.
We got pills here.
Oh, what the fuck?
The tank's going out for me.
Okay, shoot the shit out of that thing!
Perfect.
Oh
Wait,
my
he-
god.
it doesn't-
Almost sucked. Yeah, it's in water, so it won't work.
I can use a hand.
Isn't that a
Just
beat
shoot
sound?
it. Shoot that thing. He's dead.
Oh my god. Jockey barreling
Oh,
towards
hell.
me. Nick, you shoot me.
Reloading.
This is some like biblical.
And all it costed us was Ellis's toes. Nightlight, cover me. I need to go get 7 days free.
Come on, pull yourself together.
I'm out of ammo. Oh, fuck. Which direction? Which direction is that asshole coming?
Where is he?
Hey, we already survived.
Oh, he's gonna climb up the ladder.
Okay, this
Yep.
seriously hurts.
Oh my god.
I'm down!
Oh.
Damsel in distress over here!
Oh, hell! Oh, no! Kill him! Kill him! Please! Kill that thing! Kill that thing!
Come on, this gotta work, this gotta work, this gotta work, this gotta work.
Gentlemen, I need
Kill
some
him.
help!
Why won't he die? Why is he dead? Oh.
You don't even think about leaving me here!
Uh-oh.
Yeah, we're trying. Wait, how is he not dead? Oh my god, he's coming down.
Oh, I need
How is that thing not dead?
Oh my god.
Nobody wander off.
A charger on me. Charger killing me.
Oh, no, no.
No, one of you guys has to get me. One of you guys has to
Oh
get
my
me.
god,
Oh my
that
lord.
same charger pushed me down. I picked up. No, no, no. Run, run, run. No, that charger's behind you. No. Oh my. You went the wrong way. Oh my god.
Let's go. Almost.
Alright, ready for this? Ready? Ready for this? Alright, ready? Alright, you guys
Over there.
ready? Ready? Alright, you guys ready?
Let's go, let's go.
I'm reloading. Reloading.
Ben is getting mauled rapidly.
We got zombies to kill and shit.
Thanks, I owe you one.
I'm a reload.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm
Save us,
talking
Burger
about.
Tank. If you can hear
Let's
us.
see. No help in here.
Uh-oh, Boomer.
Adrenaline shot here.
All right.
Okay.
I'm down.
My apologies, original gangster.
Some help.
Oh my god, the flames of hell have come
Okay,
to
we
swallow
have-
you whole.
Come on.
Both have
This gotta
defense.
work, this gotta work, this gotta work.
Take down.
Okay, Pen, honestly, that took down the tank so quickly it was worth it.
This shit'll help.
Oh my god, Jackie!
Oh my god, I missed my swing. Can I get a kiss? And can you make it last forever?
No! Oh my god!
Merry
I'm
Christmas.
getting smoker.
Ah,
Pipe bomb! Oh, a pipe bomb! Oh my god, how's the fat man down already? How? Oh, the tank is over there.
Oh yeah.
Save the fat man. Oh, help. Oh my god, what did that tank just do? It phased through the roof. What was that? Oh, this tank is using freaking wall axe. Oh my, coach comes in.
goated
with
coach?
the
Unk status?
Arm status unlocked.
Got fucking verified unk status.
Yes! Okay,
Oh my
everybody. Get ready. Freaking charger.
Cover me, please.
Pen, get over here.
Oh my god.
Get over
We
here.
have no pipe bombs, no nothing.
Oh my god, that freaking tank.
There's another tank. Fuck.
Where is that?
Oh no. Oh no. Not like that.
No! Oh my god, there's a smoker! Did the tank save me? No! Coach! Coach, what are you doing? Coach! No! Oh my god.
I'm about to fucking blow my brains out.
Let's go. Almost back to the boat.
If we turn the sign on.
I'm down.
You good?
Just please get me up.
All right.
Jockey! Grabbing first aid.
I forgot that it's 2024.
First aid.
Time flies, don't it?
Time flies when you're...
When you're huffing on that galaxy gas.
What's so bad about galaxy gas?
You know what? I want to take this galaxy gas to the end. I feel like doing whippets with Virgil. Uh-oh. Oh, I forgot there was a tank! I forgot there was a fucking tank!
I'm down.
That might not have been the best idea. That might not have been the best idea. Nelly, do you have a spare defibrillator?
I have one.
Oh, fuck!
But it doesn't even matter.
Making funny noises with your mouth type beat.
We call it hard rain because it's slightly difficult. Making a knife for a hard strike, I don't know. Knife is gold.
Not gonna lie, Burger Tank is a cool last name for burger place.
Yeah.
Gabe Newell should use some of his infinite riches to like make the real Burger Tank.
Instead of Mr. Beast Burger, if we had the Burger Tank in real life,
Mr. Beast!
I would stay for that race.
Chris's kitty dog.
Thanks.
Oh my god.
Oh god, Boomer!
No, the fat people!
You did not even give me a chance to, I don't know, get out the fucking way. Ow.
Oh,
Ow.
sorry.
Ouch. Ouch. I'm being mauled to death.
Somebody want to lend me a hand here?
Ow. That's our first tank?
Okay.
Come on, coach, you gotta whip out your med kit or something.
Oh my god, that tank just did a long shot on 10. The freaking arc on that thing. This is done.
Alright, we set him on fire. That's gotta be good for something. What? Huh? I'm on black and white.
Oh, there he is. He's dead.
Can I get a med kit?
Fine.
Thank you, Nightlight.
Okay, oh, I need oh my god, I'm sorry, coach.
Will you cut that shit out? Yeah, that video is not, like, generational, like, oh god.
Oh my, I need to stop killing people with my knife.
Yum, a lot of candy.
Come they,
He's coming!
Oh,
He's gonna hit
God.
me! Do I throw the Molotov? Do I throw the Molotov? Molotov would legit save lives. No.
Oh my god, no. Just kill that thing. Kill him. Kill him. Why won't he die? What?
He's dead. He's
You
dead.
save Coach, I save Roach. Okay, never mind.
I proceeded to do the opposite of what you asked.
I have a pipe bomb.
Okay, I also have a pipe bomb and a defibrillator because I feel like...
Please do not die.
Okay,
Also,
let's stay on the roof for a bit. What the fuck, a hunter?
alright.
Stay on the roof for a bit and wait for Virgil to arrive. so we don't have the tank all over our fucking boat.
Oh, it's arrived! Run!
Run!
Run! Yes! Yes! Get over here! Please get over here!
Why are they all the way over there?
Get over here! Please! Oh my god, the
Look
zombies!
at the Half-Life 2 barrel model.
Coach! 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 Coach!
Can we shoot Coach? No.
Don't shoot Coach!
Let him
He's
watch, let him watch,
gonna, he's
let him
gonna make it! We're all gonna make it!
No!
You bastard! You traitor! No!
That legit took us like 3 hours.